Today, I'll show you how to set up automations in Honeybook, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, automations can save you time and help you manage your business more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar within your Honeybook dashboard. Look for the section labeled Automations. Once you're there, click on the plus new button. This is where you'll start creating your automation sequence. It's like setting up a chain reaction where one event leads to another, streamlining your processes and saving you valuable time. Now, if you're using Honeybook in 2020s or beyond, you have the option to utilize the AI Builder feature. This is an optional step, but it's incredibly powerful if you choose to use it. With the AI Builder, you can simply type out a command such as send a welcome guide when a lead form is submitted, then wait 2 days to follow up if they haven't booked a call. Honeybook's AI will then draft the entire sequence for you, taking the guesswork out of the process. This feature is particularly handy for those who may not be as comfortable with technology or just want to save time by letting AI do the heavy lifting. However, if you prefer a more hands-on approach or want to customize your setup, you can opt to create your own triggers and actions manually. A trigger in Honeybook is an event that starts the automation process. For instance, a lead form submission could be your trigger. Following the trigger, you'll set up actions, which are tasks that Honeybook will automatically perform. This could be anything from sending a welcome email, scheduling a follow-up, or even updating a project status. To set this up, you'll first define your trigger. Decide on what event will initiate your automation. Maybe it's a new inquiry or a signed contract. Once you have your trigger, proceed to outline the actions that should follow. Think about the journey you want your client to experience and map it out step by step. For example, after a lead submits a form, you might want Honeybook to automatically send them a welcome guide. Then, if they haven't booked a call within 2 days, the system can send a gentle reminder. As you go through this process, remember to think about the timing of each action. The timing can be crucial to ensure that clients feel engaged without being overwhelmed. You don't want to send too many emails too quickly, but you also don't want to leave too much time in between that they lose interest. Finally, once you've set up your triggers and actions, review your automation to ensure everything is in place and functioning as intended. Test it out if possible. You may even want to send a test lead through the process to see firsthand how it flows. Making adjustments is perfectly normal, especially as you get feedback or notice areas for improvement. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up automations in Honeybook. By utilizing these tools, you can enhance your client management and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy automating.